Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow changes in access to media in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, go down to the Privacy section and then we go down to the bottom here. Then tap on Media in Apple Music. At the top, choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. Now select one of the options. If you choose Don't Allow Changes, make changes down here, and after that, the app will not be able to make any changes. And so select one of the options and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.